Hi, welcome to this brief solution demo of a schema evolution capability for Qlik Talend Cloud data pipelines. Schema evolution is the ability for the pipeline to automatically react to source system schema changes and apply them to the data pipeline to reduce maintenance requirements. Let's take a look. So here in a Qlik Talend Cloud pipeline project, I'm ingesting data from a relational database source into my data platform, which happens to be Snowflake, but could be any of the platforms that we support within Qlik Talend Cloud. I've already built the pipeline to handle data landing, which is real-time, log-based change data capture ingestion of the raw data payload, and storage, which provides me a set of objects that support history, and live views for low latency access to applied and historical type 2 data, basically automating the bronze layer of my lake or lakehouse. As we navigate into landing, we can review the settings in the design of the task for schema evolution. Here I can configure for different types of DDL activity that will be captured on the source, whether I want that to be automatically applied to the target, ignored, or I can suspend the table if I think it's going to impact a downstream transformation or downstream consumption tasks. I've also set up notifications so that myself and my ETL developers can get notified of schema events that occur during change data capture, both through the web and through email or mobile notifications. While we support many different types of schema evolution, in this demo, we're just going to work through one use case, creating a new table in the source system. So let's jump over to my source, which happens to be Oracle, and we're going to go ahead and create a new table and add some data to that table. Now, as I apply this process, again, the log-based change data capture is going to pick up the DDL change. And what you're going to see here in a couple of seconds is the notification will trigger in the top right. You'll see the number increasing from 1 to 2. And you'll also notice the onboard storage, as you can see now, is starting to trigger. Now, this is not an execution that is actually processing data. As you can see, the task is not scheduled. What it is doing, however, is preparing the target schema. So the changes have been applied to landing and applied to storage to ensure that we can not just pick up the new data, but continue to track the change data and the history of the data in type 2 to keep that bronze layer of our lakehouse up to date with no data loss. Here you can see all the different objects created in the storage layer for me, including the innovative live view where I'm able to keep data up to date without processing it so that it can be immediately consumed by the downstream applications. Schema evolution in Qlik Talend Cloud enables a much more automated and well-oiled data pipeline, reducing maintenance operations for ETL developers and data engineers. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of schema evolution. Come check it out at Qlik Talend Cloud to learn more.